And just like that, we're back. What's cracking, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a little while. I had a week off there, got married. Thank you guys so much for all the amazing good wishes and congratulations and all that. We both really appreciate it. Today we are talking about this slide. This is a new pickup for the Hicapa project that we're working on. It was kind of a goal to build this Hicapa out, but I didn't know if it would really happen. So I'm really happy that it is happening. But you guys have loved the Hicapa videos so far, so we're gonna be talking more about that today. So this is the Sanctus Customs brand new aluminum featherweight slide. Sanctus Customs makes a lot of really great 3D printed parts. I've also got their fluted outer barrel here that is 3D printed. But the slide is aluminum, which is really, really cool to see that they're branching off into aluminum and CNC parts. And right off the bat, this slide looks amazing. It looks incredible. Compared to the stock one, oh, whoops. Here, so this is the stock slide, and then this is the Sanctus Customs one. The stock one isn't actually bad for a Hicapa, but a stock Hicapa at that, it's metal, does the trick, I mean, come on. Definitely when I picked up this slide for the first time, the first thing I thought of was just like, wow, this thing is light. I was super, super impressed with that. And that's kind of the point of this slide. That's a lot of the point of the whole Sanctus Customs brand and what they're trying to do, I believe, is make these really lightweight, recoilless designs. I filmed a clip of the stock slide shooting in 300 FPS. That was the frame rate I was shooting at, so it's super slow motion. Check it out now. You can just see the length of the recoil process here of me pulling the trigger, and just yeah, really get a good idea of what that looks like. And then of course I filmed one with the featherweight slide from Sanctus, and you can just see the difference in the snappiness, the recoil, because the slide weighs a lot less, so you're actually getting a lot less recoil as well. But yeah, I'm super, super happy with this. I do have, maybe my one concern would just be like if I do game it outside, would I get a ton of dirt in here? But you know, as long as you're being careful, I think it's not too much to worry about. The other thing is too, I need to get some iron sights installed. I currently have no sights on this because I found out that the stock slide, the iron sights are built right into it. I made a video a while back talking about the budget Hicapa. I bought this Hicapa for 124 Canadian dollars, a little under 100 US, I believe, as of right now. So it's a super, super cheap Hicapa, and we are upgrading just different parts on it. It's not a TM, it's actually a Jag Arms. I don't know if you can see there, but it's actually a Jag Arms GM4 is the base gun. And a lot of people are asking, like, you know, what's the compatibility of TM parts? Because it's advertised as a TM compatible gun. So slowly we're just working on it, figuring out what is TM compatible, what isn't. So far I haven't run into anything that isn't. I've upgraded the slide, obviously. A new outer barrel from Sanctus, as well as I mentioned before. What else have I done? A new inner barrel, hop up, all that sort of stuff. I think what I'll do next is probably a blowback unit, but the blowback unit is compatible with this slide. So yeah, everything seems to be really compatible so far, so I'm super happy about that. The only thing I wasn't able to get off of that slide was, of course, the iron sights. So right now I'm running no iron sights on the top, which isn't a big deal. I just gotta be careful to make sure I don't lose my blowback unit spring. But other than that, it's great. I'm loving the feel, the look. The two-toned kind of look is super, super cool, I think, and not a very common look. So I'm pretty stoked on it right now. But in terms of the slide, really, again, what it's trying to do is be a lightweight, recoilless design, and it does that really, really well. The slide is also only 100 USD. I know that sounds crazy expensive, but for an aluminum slide of this quality, that is a great deal. Overall, really, really impressed. This Hicapa isn't crazy. I don't claim that this is the best Hicapa of all time. I just think it's really, really cool that you can get into a Hicapa for $124 and upgrade it with all these high quality parts. I think it is an awesome way to start out. Instead of buying a TM, I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for that, but I do think this is the best way to get into a high kappa. But this is kind of their first, as far as I'm aware, branch into the aluminum CNC steel kind of game. And I think they knocked it out of the park. I think this is a super unique design that we're not seeing a lot of. There's just porting and cutouts everywhere, and it looks amazing. It looks really, really good. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the two-tone build? Do you want to see me do something different with the lower? Yeah, so far so good. Not done yet, don't worry. Yeah, pretty stoked on it all. Also, an upcoming video I'll let you guys know right now is I'm wanting to do like a full airsoft gun collection and just go really in depth with each gun and just show you guys what I've done. So let me know if that's something you could be interested in, and I will definitely make that video happen. But until next time, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Head on over to Sanctus Customs, tell them Kraken sent you, and pick yourself up a gorgeous, gorgeous slide. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.